हेलो एवरीवन, गुड इवनिंग टू ऑल ऑफ़ यू। मैं फिर से आप सभी के लिए एक वीडियो लेकर आया हूँ जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया से रिलेटेड है। और ये 50 मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस हैं आने वाले सभी एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए, चाहे वो यूजीसी नेट लॉ हो, चाहे बिहार जुडिशरी हो, चाहे और कोई भी कंपटीशन एग्ज़ाम हो। ये सारे क्वेश्चंस बहुत ही ज़्यादा मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस हैं आने वाले सभी एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए। सो मेरी आप सभी से एक रिक्वेस्ट है, जो स्टूडेंट्स या जो मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं जो पहली बार इसको वीडियो को हमारे चैनल को देख रहे हैं, सबसे पहले तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और हमारी वीडियो को प्लीज़ लाइक करें और शेयर करें, प्लीज़ कमेंट करें और अपने हमें सजेशन भी लिख के हमें भेज सकते हैं। और दिए गए नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में हमारे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप और टेलीग्राम ग्रुप को ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं फॉर दी अदर मटेरियल्स। ठीक है, तो चलिए हम स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया की 50 मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड MCQ क्वेश्चंस की। देयर इज अ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एक्ट्स लीड्स टू द सेपरेशन ऑफ बर्मा फ्रॉम इंडिया? Which one of the following acts lead to the separation of Burma from India? The Indian Government Act 1909, the Government of India Act 1999, Government of India Act 1935, Indian Independence Act 1947. The right answer is C, Government of India Act 1935. Who among the following person was not a member of the cabinet mission? Option 1, William Wood, Patrick Lawrence, Stafford Cripps, A.B. Alexander. The right answer is A, William Wood. Consider the following statement. The design of the national flag was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 22nd, 1947. The wheel in national flag has 21 spokes. The ratio of the width of the national flag to its length is 3/4. Which of the above statement is or are correct? Option A, 1 and 2, B, only 1, C, 2 and 3, and D, only 2. The right answer is 1 and 2. The design of the national flag was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 22nd, 1947. The wheel in national flag has 21 spokes. And next question is, in their nationalist reaction, the founding father of the Indian Constitution tended to minimize the importance of the minority interest and emotions by option A, Morris Jones, Hargrave J, option C, C.R. Attlee, and last one is Sir Ivor Jennings. So right answer is D, Sir Ivor Jennings. Next question is, the concept of Indian judicial review in India has been adopted from the Constitution of India. Option A, UK, option B, USA, option C, USSR, and last one is South Africa. The right answer is USA. The concept of judicial review in India has been adopted from the Constitution of USA. The design of the national flag was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India in 1947. The idea of the Constitution of India was first of all given by the idea of Constitution of India was first of all given by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sri M.N. Roy, Mahatma Gandhi. The right answer is C, Sir Sri M.N. Roy. Next question is, the first session of the Constituent Assembly was held in Bombay, Lahore, Calcutta, New Delhi. Right answer is D, New Delhi. The Constitution of India was adopted by Parliament of India, Constitution Assembly, Governor General, and last one is British Parliament. The right answer is B, Constituent Assembly. Which of the following rights was described by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of the Constitution? Right to equality, right to constitutional remedies, right to freedom of religion, and last one, right to property. The right answer is B, right to constitutional remedies. प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को प्लीज़ आप एक लाइक कीजिए और इस वीडियो को प्लीज़ एक लाइक कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए। और किसी को अगर ये पीडीएफ चाहिए इसकी, किसी को अगर पीडीएफ चाहिए इस वीडियो की, तो आप हमें नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स में आप प्लीज़ अपना नाम मेंशन करके हमें भेज सकते हैं। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज द मीन बाय कोर्ट ऑफ रिकॉर्ड? व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ बाय अ कोर्ट ऑफ रिकॉर्ड? The court that maintain records of all lower courts, the court that is competent is giver to direction and to issue writs, the court that can punish for its contempt, the court that preserve all its record. The right answer is D, the court that preserves all its record. The Chief Justice and other judges of the High Courts are appointed by the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, the Chief Justice of the concerned of state, the Governor of the concerned state, and last one, President. The right answer is D, President. The President of India referred the Ayodhya issue recently, very recently. The President of India referred the Ayodhya issue to the Supreme Court of India. Under which article? Option A 143, 132 and 138 and 136. Right answer is A 143. Next question. Under the writ of mandamus, the court can ask the person to be produced, order to transfer the case from one court, ask to let a person free for a temporary period, direct the government to do or not to do a thing. Right answer is D, direct the government to do or not to do a thing. Next question. The which of the following writs is a bulk work of a personal freedom? A, certiorari, habeas corpus, mandamus, and quo warranto. Right answer is B, habeas corpus. The High Court of West Bengal, यानी कलकत्ता में है, has got the additional jurisdiction to hear the cases from Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Tripura, Andaman and Nicobar Island. And right answer is D, Andaman and Nicobar Island. Right to property was removed from fundamental rights by which amendment act? 29th Amendment Act, 25th Amendment, 44th Amendment, and 42nd Amendment. Right answer is C, 44th Amendment Act of the Constitution of India. Village Panchayat is organized under which article of the Constitution of India? Article 37, Article 38, Article 39, Article 40. Right answer is D, Article 40. The duration of an ordinance issued by the President of India is 6 weeks, 1 year, 6 months, 6 weeks from the date of the assembly of the parliament. Right answer is C, 6 months. In the case of Golaknath versus State of Punjab, it was remarked that our preamble contains in a nutshell in ideals an aspiration who was the judge, Matthew Krishna Iyer Justice, H.R. Khanna Justice, and last one is Subba Roy Justice. Right answer is D, Subba Roy Justice. On which date the Indian Citizenship Amendment Act 2019 came into the effect? The December, 10 January, 10 Feb, none of the above. Right answer is B, 10 January. To extend the reservation of seats for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes in the Lok Sabha and state assemblies from 70 years to 80 years, removal the reservation seat for the Anglo-Indian community in the Lok Sabha and the state assemblies, in which Constitution Amendment 101st Constitutional Amendment Act 2017, 102nd Amendment Constitution Amendment Act 2018, 103rd Constitutional Amendment Act 2019, and 104th Constitutional Amendment Act 2020. Right answer is D. 104th Constitutional Assembly Amendment Act 2020. In India, the power of amnesty has been given to the President, Prime Minister, Chief of the Army, and Parliament. Right answer A. President. The Indian Constitution guarantees how many categories of fundamental rights? 6, 7, 8, none of the above. Right answer is A. 6. The provision of having a UPSC and Public Service Commission for states are inserted in Part 14, Article 315 to 324, Part 14, Article 308 to 323. Option C, Part 14, Article 315 to 323. Part D, Part 14, Article 308 to 318. The right answer is B. Part 14, Article 308 to 323. During the proclamation of national emergency, all fundamental rights are suspended. Article 20 and 21 cannot be suspended. Article 32 cannot be suspended, and Article 19 cannot be suspended. Only Article 20 and 21 cannot be suspended. Which one of the following statement regarding the continuous constitutionally guaranteed right to education in India is correct? The right cover both child and adult illiteracy and therefore universally guaranteed education to all citizens of India. The right is a child. The right is a child right covering the age group of 6 to 14 years and become operational from the year 2015. The right has been taken from the British Constitution, which was the first welfare state in the world. The right has been given to all the Indian children between the age of 16 to 14 years under the 86th Constitutional Amendment Act. The right option D. The right has been given to all the Indian children between the age of 6 to 14 years under the 1886th Constitutional Amendment Act. Next question 29. In which the following case Supreme Court has given the landmark judgment in the dispute Babri Masjid Ayodhya case? This is a very recent case. M. Siddiqui and the others versus Mahend Suresh Das and others. Swiss Ribbons Private Limited versus Union of India 2019. Aziz Basa versus Union of India and Shah Bano versus Abdul Qadir. The right option A. M. Siddiqui and others versus Mahend Suresh Das. A next question, in which case held that reservation in promotion in public position is not a fundamental right, and a state cannot be compelled to provide reservation in appointment and the reservation of public post. Mukesh Kumar versus State of Uttarakhand, Balaji versus State of Mysore, B.N. Tiwari versus Union of India, and right option, the next option, State of Kerala versus Thomas. Right option A. Mukesh Kumar versus State of Uttarakhand. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court held that non-smokers cannot be compelled to be victim of air pollution? Option A. MC Mehta versus Union of India. Next question, Murli Deora versus Union of India. Satpal Singh versus Union of India. Sardari Lal versus State of Rajasthan. Right option B. Murli Deora versus Union of India. In which case the Supreme Court held that right to internet a form as a part of freedom of speech and expression under Article 19 Clause 1A, and the ban of the internet in the state of Jammu and Kashmir is a violation of Article Kashmir is a violative of it. B.K. Pavitra and others versus Union of India. Anuradha Bhasin versus Union of India. Yashwant Sinha versus and others versus CBI and others. And Satvir Singh versus Saluja and others versus State of Bihar. Next question, Justice K.S. Puttaswamy retired versus Union of India 2017 was divided by a bench of 9 judges, a bench of 7 judges, a bench of 11 judges and bench of 5 justice. Right option a bench of 9 judges. When was the Magna Carta granted in England? 1832, 1911, 1949 and 1215. Right answer is D, 1215. Which cases relates to validity of Preventive Detention Act? A.K. Gopal versus State of Madras, Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India, and Delhi Administrative versus Sunil Batra. And last option is M.C. Mehta versus Union of India. And right option A, A.K. Gopal versus State of Madras. Next question, the practice of instant of triple talaq has been declared unconstitutional. Muhammad Ahmad Khan versus Sahabanu Begum, Saira Banu versus S. St. Thomas, Saira Banu versus Union of India, State of Kerala versus Thomas, M. Siddiqui and others versus Mahint Suresh Das, and right option B. Saira Banu versus Union of India. What cannot be done directly what cannot be done directly cannot be done indirectly. This statement relates to the doctrine of ancillary power, pith and substance, culpable legislation, implied authority. The right answer is C, culpable legislation. Next question, question number 38. The quorum for a meeting of the House of the People constitute 1/10 of the total members, 1/10 of the total members or 100 members, whichever is less, 1/3 of the total members and none of the above. Right answer is 1/10 of the total members. Who does not have the right to vote in the election of President of India? Speaker of the Lok Sabha, Speaker of the Vidhan Sabha, President's nominee in Rajya Sabha, Deputy Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Right answer C, President's nominee in Rajya Sabha. Next question, which article of the Constitution of India postulate separation of judiciary from the executive? Article 39, Article 40, Article 51, 41 and Article 15. The right answer is D, Article 50. Atrefouis actare principle is related to a retrospective operation, double jeopardy, ex post fact law and self-incrimination. The right option is B, double jeopardy. Next question, Niti Aayog came into effect from 1st March 2015, 1st March 2015 and 1st January 2015 and 25th December 2014. And right option A, 1st January 2015. Next question, according to Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019, the person must have arrived before which of the following date to get Indian citizenship? Option A, 31st December 2014, 31st January 2019, 31st March 1971, 31st December 2019. The right option A, 31st December 2014. In which case the recently held that the stringent condition for obtaining license for dance bars and also stated that it is not mandatory for the applicant to prove good character and no previous criminal record. Option A, Sitaram Yechuri versus Union of India, Swiss Ribbons Private Limited versus Union of India, Indian Hotel and Restaurant Association versus State of Maharashtra, and none of the above. Right answer C, Indian Hotel and Restaurant Association versus State of Maharashtra. Next question is, in which of the following cases Supreme Court held that right to internet form a part of the freedom of speech expression and under Article 19 Clause 1 Subclause A and ban of the internet in the state of Jammu and Kashmir is violative of Chandra Kumar vs. Union of India, Anuradha Basin vs. Union of India, Satwant Singh vs. Sahni vs. Union of India, Prem Shankar vs. Delhi Administration. Right answer B. Anuradha Basin vs. Union of India. Right to privacy and internet under Article 21 of the Constitution of India, under which case the Supreme Court held Fahim Shireen vs. State of Kerala and others, Anuradha Basin vs. Union of India, Shreya Shingal vs. Union of India. Right option A. Fahim Shireen vs. State of Kerala and others. Next question. Money bill has been defined in Article 110, 199 and 110 is 119 and 98, Article 111 and 199 and Article 111 and only 11 and 198. Option A. Article 110 and 199. Which constitutional amendment introduced the anti-defecation provision of the Constitution? 51st Amendment, 52 Second Amendment and 53rd Amendment and 54th Amendment. Right option B for 52 Second Amendment. And next question, 104th Amendment Act 2020 relates to citizenship, Article 370, economic weaker section reservation to extend the reservation of seats for SCs and STs. To extend the reservation of seats for SCs and STs. Next question, which of the following article provides that law declared by the Supreme Court is binding on all courts within the territory of India? Option A. Article 131, Article 141, Article 151 and Article 137. Next, judicial review of the 9th schedule of the Constitution has been made permissible by which of the following case decided by the Supreme Court? Keshavananda Bharati vs. State of Kerala, M. Nagaraj vs. Union of India, Minerva Mills vs. Union of India, IR Koholo vs. State of Kerala. Next question, after which of the following Supreme Court